Welcome to Lyme Regis House. Let me show you inside. When you come into Lyme Regis House, you'll be in the reception area. Now let me show you the common room. You'll have to use your key fob to get through. In the common room, we have a pool table, as well as 2 booths for you to socialise at. Over here, we have the ping pong table, and coming through to here, we have another seating area where you can have a TV. In here, we have a communal kitchen which anyone can use. We often use this for events such as cooking tutorials. Coming round here now, we have the laundry room. In the laundry room, we have 6 washing machines and 8 dryers. Through this door, which you'll have to use your fob again, we have the postal area. The postal area is where you'd pick up all of your post. Through this doorway, we have the rear of the building, which has the bin stores and the bike shed. And through here, we have the elevators, which will take you up to your rooms. We're in a typical corridor space, and this is how you would enter your flat, using the fob. Then to access your room, you'd have to use your key. In the standard bedroom, you will have a desk with drawers and an office chair. You also get a 3/4 size bed with shelving. Coming through to here, you have your cupboard as well as your ensuite that has a sink, toilet and shower. In the standard kitchen, you'll get an oven, microwave and hob, as well as a large fridge freezer and many cupboards to store. Over here you have a large pin board where we advertise a lot of events and a socialising area where we have seating and a coffee table. Over here we have the dining table where you can eat food whether you cook it or get takeaway. In the studio flat, you have a 3/4 size bed with a bedside table, an armchair and a desk with an office chair and drawers. Going through to the kitchen area, you have a microwave combi oven as well as a fridge with a freezer compartment and cupboards for storage. You will also have a breakfast bar and an ensuite. The ensuite has a toilet, shower and sink. We're now on the 10th floor. Let me take you through the stairs up to the 11th floor where we hold most of our events. We're in the loft space of Lyme Regis where we use this space for events. Over here we have our arts area where we do painting and terrariums. Over here we have a seating area where we do our weekly book club. And over here we have our yoga space where we have our yoga blocks. If you're not into that, I'll take you over here where we normally do our games club. Here we use the big TV for a Switch, Xbox or PlayStation, and we use the area for VR headsets. We're now at the back of the building at the bin store. Now let me show you the bike storage. For context, the bin storage is over there. Above me is Lyme Regis, and this is the bike storage, where you would store your bike if you bring one. Be sure to bring a bike lock.